Let's keep it simple. Imagine winning more trades every single month and losing less trades every single month. The question is, what would you do with all the profits? Now, here's the problem. Most traders often fail because they treat trading like a hobby instead of treating it like a business. And sadly, most inexperienced traders just look at trading as a get-rich-quick method and are just not prepared with a system to approach the markets. In reality, a lot of unexperienced traders are just gambling and don't even know it. So with this being a huge problem, Trusted Signals came up with a solution: making successful traders. Successful traders, on the other hand, are not gamblers. They accept responsibility to their actions, trading with a system and a well thought out plan throughout the whole process. If you want to make trading a profession and be consistent with profits, you're going to need to trade responsibly and have a profitable system. And Trusted Signals gives you the confidence by giving you extra confirmations with your analysis while you trade. Who's Trusted Signals for? Trusted Signals is suitable for whoever is interested in learning more about the financial markets, including Forex, options, futures, stocks, and crypto. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader, Trusted Signals Indicator and its educational weekly trade ideas will make you a stronger trader. Now, why choose Trusted Signals? Because we are real traders, not just some developers trying to sell product. We truly believe that Trusted Signals can help new or even expert traders. And with a strong Discord community, it's nothing but inspiration to push each other higher and become better each and every day. Are you ready to make profits? You made it this far, so you deserve a discount. Use the discount code MOREPROFITS to get 20% off your lifetime membership. Trusted Signals, let's go.